Hello, ladies. Are you a skinny or underweight woman struggling to gain weight, build strength, and low on confidence, and you don't have time, knowledge, or energy to prioritize your health and fitness? Then this training is for you. Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified women's fitness coach and a weight gain specialist. Over the span of 8 plus years, we at Team Fitnia have helped 2000 plus underweight women just like you to transform their lives in just 90 days using a secret life-changing system, the 3M method. And I've shared my journey with a growing community of over 70,000 plus women on Instagram and inspiring millions along the way.
Let's face it, life is busy. You're juggling work, family, and everything in between. It's natural to feel like there's no time for you.
But here's the truth. Ignoring yourself and staying underweight won't make things easier. The fatigue, lack of confidence, health issues, they don't just disappear. They hold you back from living the vibrant and healthy life that you deserve. Ladies, if you want to gain weight, build strength and confidence, or tone your body, I'm here to show you how our 90-day weight gain transformation course using our 3M method can transform your health and fitness permanently in just 90 days.
Don't just take her word for it. Let us share the stories of these incredible women, just like you, who transform their bodies with our 90-day weight gain transformation course in just 90 days using the 3M method.
Meet Ghazal. She's living in a remote part of India where there's no access to gym. She has been struggling to gain weight her whole life, but in just 90 days she gained 7 plus kgs with us. She feels a lot more healthier now and she no longer faces taunts for being underweight thanks to our 3M method. Then there is Pari, a young woman from India studying in the US. She gained 6 plus kgs in 90 days while managing her life and studies abroad. Not only did her confidence levels increase significantly, but she also beat depression and she's now living a vibrant social life using our 3M method. And then there's Yupsi, a working woman with a busy schedule. She not only gained 8 plus kgs through our 90-day weight gain transformation course, but now she stopped facing annoying taunts from friends and relatives. She built a bulletproof mindset and a healthy body using our 3M method. These are just few of the 2000 plus women who thought they couldn't do it, but they proved themselves wrong. And so can you with our 3M method.
Okay, Niyati, now can you tell me what is the 3M method?
Absolutely. Let's jump right into how the 3M method works. The system is simple but powerful because it focuses on these 3 pillars: meals, movement, and mindset. The first pillar is meals, a women's weight gain specific nutrition plan along with our high protein recipe book to fuel your body without complicated diets. The second pillar is movement, home workouts tailored to your fitness level, whether you're a beginner or experienced. No gym required. These are quick, effective, and fit seamlessly into your day.
And finally, the third pillar, mindset. This is the game changer. Daily consistency hacks and powerful visualization techniques to shape your psychology. This will keep you disciplined and motivated for a life-changing weight gain transformation in just 90 days.
This isn't a generic fitness course. It's a female-specific weight gain transformation roadmap designed just for you.
Now you must be thinking, will this really work for me?
Yes, it has worked for over 2000 plus underweight students and so it will for you.
You don't need a gym or any equipment.
Everything can be done from the comfort of your home.
You don't need hours of free time.
The workouts and meals will just take 30 to 40 minutes of your day.
And you don't need to figure it out all alone.
Our weight gain course gives you a clear step-by-step system to follow, helping you stay consistent and focused.
This isn't just about looking better.
It's about feeling stronger, healthier and more confident no matter how busy your life is.
So are you ready to stop making excuses and start gaining weight?
Just imagine yourselves 90 days from today, feeling stronger, healthier and more confident in your own body. No more feeling underweight and hiding yourself in oversized clothes.
Now, this course is not for everyone. If you're looking for shortcuts, overnight results or artificial powders, this isn't for you.
But if you're ready to follow a naturally proven system for 90 days, our weight gain transformation course can completely change your body and confidence. Remember, if Ghazal, Pari and Yupsi along with 2000 plus women have gained healthy weight, build strength and confidence in just 90 days, then so can you. Click the button below to get your access to our 90-day weight gain transformation course for less than the price of your weekend food orders.
Let's make it happen together.